I just can't get my feel of those heels. Oh, but still, no matter where I am in this land, I feel alone when I'm not at home. If you see me hunkered down in your town, I'm just watching the clock on the wall till I can go to the place I love. There's no writing in the back of it?
No, this one I exactly No, just leave it there. That picture's from like
the 80s, probably.
Yeah, 80s.
Yeah, because look at the color on that.
So I'm so certain that it was not here because I did this, like I was starting to paint some of the stuff, the black.
Yeah.
And I was going to take this off because I had a safe that's put in the other room. There was nothing there. I was about to rip that thing off. But see the coat hooks here? It's an energy-based fan. It's the original fan of the cigar room. There is nothing on the outside. That's completely, that's above a brick or a stone patio, and there's no ventilation.
What'd you say? You felt something?
No, I heard something.
Hey, so when I went up there, it was moving clockwise. I know. Drew, was it not?
It was?
This stopped working, by the way.
Do you feel this cold? Do you feel this?
Shut it down.
Hey, do you feel this cold draft that just came through here, right here?
But you know what? I guarantee you, I go back to the carrier's house.
Do you feel this right here? How cold this just got?
It is colder over here.
Super, like right now. It wasn't like this 10 minutes ago.
I got like 19% left on this battery.
Hey, it was not this cold here when we were up here.
It was not.
So this,
How do you have all these ghost stories? You didn't think this place was so haunted. Yo,
well,
these ghost stories have a lot of stories.
Respect spirits. I don't call them ghosts.
But that's the thing. Okay, spirits, but same thing. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
They're
alive.
Dead people that were alive that aren't here anymore on another plane.
Yeah.
But like, there's a lot of stuff to be going on.
Like,
actually, but you have the movie there. I know you've been thinking about it. Okay, let's try.
I have a lot of stuff going on.
You do.
This can help you for the movie. You can show them all this stuff too.
Well,
if they use the EPs, though.
No, they didn't like
tell them to call me up.
Story. This was not good for their story.
Oh yeah, you're gonna go to the church. We get it.
The church is church.
You don't think anything followed you back from the church, do you?
Huh?
You don't think anything followed you back from the church?
No.
So much.
No.
Oh, we have a different. Okay.
No, definitely not. This was all.
If things followed me back from places,
I would have felt it.
I would be super.
You have to allow it.
I have heightened awareness.
We believe different.
Yeah, we believe.
Okay.
Different. I have picked up abilities from going to different places. I will grant you that.
I get that.
And I collect things from certain places, like haunted artifacts that.
I would at least feel it. I might not know as much, but I would feel it.
It's going.
It's kicking. It's kicking. Let's stop it again.
I have it videoed when I came back here a little while ago when I disappeared because I felt led to come back here. I have it videoed where it was going. It was moving back then too.
Moving clockwise.
Which was it going clockwise or counter?
I don't know.
When I had my hand close to it.
Yeah. I always like it with lights off.
It's all the way to the. Okay, that's fine.
Where's it at?
All the way back to the beginning.
I'll go get it.
Cool.
The lights.
Oh, okay.
Where are they? They're right here.
got cold. That's good. That's good. Emily's fine.
Okay.
You want me to get this one?
Okay, pull it.
Ooh.
All right, everybody get here in a circle.
Here, wait, I'm gonna get this other one.
Okay. Uh-huh. This is nice.
Warnos? Yeah.
Listen.
Warnos. And also, there was a woman there who stayed. She was there for
That was
8
you,
years,
right, Wes?
years,
I'm
in
just
that one
standing
cell,
right here.
and that-
Weston,
the
did you
whole
just go-
jail, They tore the whole thing down.
No, why?
Now,
Wait,
it's
what?
that one. But in that jail.
Because that's what I just
that
heard in my
whole
ear.
prison,
ear.
There was only one cell.
Heard.
That was closed.
I didn't make it sound just now.
I just heard something else.
And also, there was a woman there who stayed. She was there for
That was
8
you,
years,
right, Wes?
years,
I'm
in
just
that one
standing
cell,
right here.
and that-
Weston,
the
did you
whole
just go-
jail, They tore the whole thing down.
No, why?
Now,
Wait,
it's
what?
that one. But in that jail.
Because that's what I just heard in my ear.
There was only one cell.
Heard.
That was closed.
I didn't make it sound just now.
And also, there was a woman there who stayed. She was there who stayed. She was who stayed. She who stayed. She